Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas stuff in Avatar World. To acquire these special holiday items, you must participate in the annual seasonal events. Developers release unique content, including outfits, decorations, and accessories, specifically for the festive period. These items are typically available for a duration of about 3 to 4 weeks, so it is crucial to engage during this specific time frame. Missing the event means missing the chance to collect these exclusive holiday treasures. During the holiday season, Avatar World receives a major update that introduces all the new Christmas content. This update often includes special quests, minigames, and themed areas designed for the festive period. By actively engaging with these seasonal events, players can earn event-specific currency or directly unlock new items. For example, completing 5 daily holiday tasks might reward you with a festive hat, or collecting 100 snowflakes could unlock a special winter outfit. Once the seasonal update is live, head straight to the in-game shop. There will likely be a special section dedicated to Christmas items, offering everything from festive sweaters to sparkling tree decorations. Additionally, keep an eye out for holiday-themed quests. These quests often involve simple tasks, like visiting 3 specific locations or interacting with 10 holiday characters, and completing them grants you exclusive items that cannot be purchased. To ensure you collect all the Christmas items, make logging in daily a priority during the event. Many events offer daily login bonuses or refresh quests every 24 hours. Also, consider saving your in-game currency, such as coins or gems, for any special holiday bundles or premium items that might appear. Finally, always check the official Avatar World social media and in-game news for announcements about new releases or event extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.